side of the interstate, and I'm here for about 2.5 hours. I had a little problem with my semi. We'll go ahead and take a look at that. But sitting here for 2.5 hours waiting for a truck to come fix my truck. Pretty much won't have any time left over to really get to where I wanted to go today, which is Farmington. I'm here at Klein's Corners, or pretty close to it. So, but yeah, here's what happened. Blew a tire out, took the fender and everything else with it. But what are you gonna do? It happens. I just hope that he comes soon, because I'm kind of getting bored of sitting here. But we have a good mechanic. He'll come and kick some ass on this, and we'll get going. But I have about 5 hours of driving left, and about 7 hours left on my clock to finish that. And now it's going against to where I don't have any extra time. So if he doesn't get here quick, I'm not going to be able to make it to Farmington and unload. So we'll see what happens.